How to add enquiry details. To add enquiry details, click Student Management. Click Admission Enquiry. The Admission Enquiry screen appears. Click the New button. Enter the required details. For example, date of enquiry, form number. Select an academic year. Enter the student name. Enter the date of birth. Enter the current class. Enter the admission class. Select a sex. Enter the name of enquiry. Enter father name. Father's occupation. Workplace. Mother's name. Mother's occupation. Mother's workplace. Annual income. Address. Place. District. Mobile number. Phone number. Email ID if any. Transportation required or not. Hostel required or not. Siblings admission number if any. Click Save. The operation will be completed successfully. These are the general steps to add an enquiry detail in software.